we'll move on. Prime Minister Modi is officially gearing up for a historic third term as a Prime Minister. His swearing in is going to take place on June 9th at 6 p.m. Now, today the NDA's Parliamentary Committee met to discuss the formation of the new government. Now, during his address, PM Modi shared the vision of NDA 3.0, which includes welfare, development and good governance. He also hit out at the Congress on how grand the old party has been and didn't even cross 100 seats in the past 10 years. Most importantly, he also addressed fears around coalition politics, stating that none of the previous coalitions have been as successful as the NDA's, giving out the big message on stability. Let's go across and listen
in. NDA, New India, Develop India, Aspirational India. NDA का ये कार्यकाल बड़े फैसलों का है, तेज विकास का है और अब हम समय गंवाना नहीं चाहते कि हम 5 नंबर की इकोनॉमी से 3 नंबर की इकोनॉमी पर पहुंच रहे हैं। राज्यों का सहयोग भी उसमें उतना ही महत्वपूर्ण है और भारत के संविधान ने हमें जिस प्रकार का दिशा निर्देश किया है कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म का, लेकिन मैंने उसमें आग्रह रखा है कॉम्पिटिटिव कोऑपरेटिव फेडरलिज्म। हमारे राज्यों के बीच में भी तंदुरुस्त स्पर्धा हो, राज्य और केंद्र के बीच में भी तंदुरुस्त स्पर्धा हो, हम अच्छा करने की स्पर्धा करें। 10 साल बाद भी कांग्रेस 100 के आंकड़े को नहीं छू पाई और अगर मैं 14, 19 और 24 3 चुनावों को जोड़ करके कहूं, कांग्रेस के 3 चुनाव जोड़ूं तो इन 3 चुनावों में जितनी सीटें मिली है उससे ज्यादा हमें इस चुनाव में मिली है। इंडी गठबंधन वाले जब ईवीएम का विरोध करते हैं तो मैं सिर्फ एक चुनाव के रूप में नहीं देख रहा। मैं मानता हूं ये लोग मन से पिछली शताब्दी के सोच वाले लोग हैं। वे टेक्नोलॉजी को हम महत्व न समझते हैं, न टेक्नोलॉजी स्वीकार करने को तैयार है। और ये सिर्फ ईवीएम में दिखाई दिया ऐसा नहीं, यूपीआई में दिखाया। ये प्रगति के विरोधी, आधुनिकता के विरोधी, टेक्नोलॉजी के विरोधी इंडी अलायंस मैं मानता हूं कि 2024 के लोकसभा के चुनाव के जो नतीजे हैं, हर पैरामीटर से देखेंगे दुनिया ये मानती है और मानेगी कि ये एनडीए का महाविजय है।
Well, we have reconnected with my colleague Sumit Chaturvedi, who's present on ground from where the Prime Minister was addressing, a few minutes earlier. I'll go across to my colleague Sumit to get the lowdown. Sumit, over to you.
Well, Delhi is quite active today since the day when the results were announced. But today is the day when the formal taking up of the government, the shape of the government has taken place. It was a formality only, but today, since the morning, meetings have been happening, beginning with NDA's meeting where they elected Narendra Modi as the head of the Parliamentary Committee, and the allies reposed their faith in Narendra Modi as the Prime Minister of the country. TDP, JDU, all important allies, including Shiv Sena and even LJP, the leaders were present in Parliament today. They reposed their faith and they stood behind PM Modi. The process began. Then later on, PM Modi went and met veterans of BJP, including L.K. Advani and Murli Manohar Joshi. On the other hand, NDA leaders went to President and staked the claim to form the government. So that has happened in the afternoon. But after that, just a short while ago, PM Modi, he met President Murmu, and finally the government is taking shape. Oath is happening on June 9, and the big issue of who is going to get which ministry, that will be sorted in the next few days, as sources have been telling us. So finally the government formation has happened. BJP-led NDA has formally staked the claim to form the government at the centre. NDA 3.0 led by PM Modi is going to take shape now formally after 9th of June on Sunday, when the oath ceremony will happen. Well, BJP would like to keep big ministries, finance, defence, home with itself, while smaller one can go to allies, though allies have been demanding. They are putting up their own demands as well. But it is to be seen whether those demands will be met. BJP would like to give some ministries. A formula has been reached at, which comes to four MPs, one berth can be given, or MOS state of that category can be given. But a big, we can say that development has happened today, when formally, after Tuesday result announcement, after nearly 3 days gap, 4th day, things are sorted, things are looking clear. The reform agenda will be continuing. There will be no U-turn on reforms or even slowing down, because today also PM Modi said the allies are progressive. The path is clear. They want to take India to 2047 progressive, Viksit Bharat, and third largest economy, and reforms will keep on happening in all spheres. PM Modi, while today addressing in Parliament, while the NDA meeting was happening, took a dig at Congress, saying they couldn't have 100 seats in 10 years. Their mindset is not very technologically advanced. They are not trustworthy. They don't have on EVMs trust. So a lot of things happened, and that was the overall day was here today. And finally, the government is taking shape. NDA 3.0 is taking shape now.
All right, Sumit, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. We will let you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.